जों या हाबखाबाय sini bisingo kaituni hamari bai omahaike जों kusugo tonka jeno amage sini kaituna hambai tege janga kai sini ngo sini sir sukrasar notia bo obisron mothani samari gamo kaisa kopal kaham sini sodor not ni bisingo जों omage manun loge ni hambai sing sasana ang koinai sini presiden no orang tonan bagai jai sini asosok no this morning once again I am privileged to honor you for being your presence since the beginning of this program and will be continuing with us till the end. And really we, the Southern Baptist Sikla Bodol, as well as all the congregations, were blessed by your presence and bringing God's word that was truly inspired for us as a youth leadership. We adore you and we love you for being present in our midst. And now, sir, I would love to call you to come forward, please. We want to honor you on behalf of Southern Baptist Sikla Bodol and all the congregation. Sir, please. Our respected sir, Binoy Daimari, Bodo Baptist Convention, Assam. Omno Yapari Renai, Sini President, Sini Hamzakmani Marino. Sung bono yaparbo sung kesa kosto kai sung busalen. Shall we all stand and give a high clap? Sung jodoh busalen. Sung yapapron bisik bono sung borong busalen. Sung tiap sung yapapron busalen. Thank you, sir, for accepting our small love. Belakang hambai, seng omakai sini bisingo sini sarno seng mano ni bagai. Tabu hai hai sini risu sobno seng tebo hamjok mani seng mari seng yapari thangnai ang koinai sini resource sini Sir Executive Secretary SNBA Reverend Barindo Debroma ang sini sarno bo koinai yang besango hanya